Hey guys, it's Miss Ross again. All right, here we go. Each tray of 30 cookies had 7 oatmeal raisin, 15 white chocolate, and the rest were chocolate chip. How many chocolate chip cookies would be on 3 cookie trays? All right, first you have to figure out how many chocolate chip are on 1 cookie tray. So draw the whole cookie tray, do your bar, and you have 30 in the whole tray. There are 7 that are oatmeal. I'm going to write 7O. 15 are white chocolate. Just put W there. And then the rest were chocolate chip. So we don't know how many were chocolate chip. But add these two together and subtract from 30 to get the missing piece. So 15 plus 7 is 22. 30 minus 22 is 8. So there are 8 chocolate chip in each tray. Well, how many chocolate chips is on 3 trays? Multiply by 3, you get 24 in 3 trays. I'm sure you guys are figuring this out by now. All right. Bryson had 90 basketballs. He gave 3/10 of them to Brandon. How many does he have left? So he started with 10/10 of his basketballs. That was all of them. He gave away 3/10 to old Brandon. Now he's got 7/10 left. So you have to figure out what 7/10 of 90 is. So 7/10 of 90. And you know from 4th grade that you put a 1 under the 90 and you multiply. Do not cross multiply. Okay, so what you are going to do is you are going to, I can't do anything about the 7 and the 1, but cross cancel here. You can divide the 10 and the 90 by 10. 10 divided by 10 is 1. 9 divided by 10 is 9. So now you can multiply. 7 times 9 is 63 over 1. The answer is 63. He has 63 left. Easy. All right. Last week, Ella watched YouTube videos for 15 minutes on Friday, 25 minutes on Saturday, and then on Sunday, she watched 3 times as many minutes as Friday and Saturday combined. Okay, this is like you guys right now. I'm sure you're watching a lot of YouTube at home. So do Friday, and then do Saturday, do SA for Saturday, and Sunday, SU, so you don't get them confused. All right, Friday, she did 15 minutes. Write it in there, mark it out. 25 minutes on Saturday. Write it in there, mark it out. Then on Sunday, she watched 3 times as many minutes as Friday and Saturday combined. So combine Saturday and Friday, 15 and 25, and then multiply it by 3. Well, 15 and 25 is 40, times 3 is 120. On Sunday, she must have spent a lot of time. Maybe she didn't go to church. I don't know. But she watched a lot of YouTube on Sunday. Okay, it says how many minutes did she watch in all? You are going to add this to this to this. Add Friday, Saturday, and Sunday together. So 15 plus 25 is 40 plus another 120 is 160. 160 minutes in all. All right, here we go. 1/4 of Abby's clothes are skirts. 1/3 of her skirts are black. What fraction of Abby's clothes are skirts that are not black? Well, 1/4 are skirts, but how many are not black? It says 1/3 are black, so how many are not black? And that would be, if 1/3 is black, then 2/3 are not black. So now we can solve this out. So this is 1/4 are skirts and 2/3 are not black. Draw your box. Y'all know I like to draw one of these boxes. Divide it into fourths. Do the skirts first. So 1/4 are skirts. Shade it in. 1/4 are skirts. Now the other direction, you've got to divide it into thirds. 1, 2, 3. And you're going to dot in 2 out of the 3 rows that you just made. This is a row, this is a row, this is a row. So dot in that row, that's 1/3. Dot in this row, that's 2/3. And now which ones have dots and highlights? Darken the box around the ones that have dots and highlights, and that is 2 out of 12. You could also figure that out by doing 2/3 of 1/4, which is 2/12. Miss Ross, do I have to simplify? If you can't find your answer in a multiple choice, 9 times out of 10, your answer will be there. It's just simplified. So it's always good to simplify it, but I want you to understand that this is 2 out of 12 of her clothes. All right, now, hang on, let me take a sip of coffee. Woo. Here we go. Jeff is working on his math problem. The answer to one problem is 10 divided into thirds. What could the situation have been? So what he has is he literally has 10 of something. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And each one of these is divided into thirds. Do you see what I'm doing here? Divided into thirds. Look, 10 divided into thirds. How many pieces is that going to make? It's going to make 30 pieces. So 10 divided into thirds. All right, now, Miss Ross, how about you just answer the question? Okay, here I go. All right, so which one of these situations is 10? You have 10 of something and you're dividing it into thirds. Okay, Allison uses 10 cups of bunny food in 3 days. That's 10 divided by 3. That is not it. This is 10 divided into thirds, not 10 divided into 3. Okay, 10 divided into 3 sections would be like circling 3. Do you see what I'm saying? Making 3 large circles. This is not 10 divided by 3. Up here, this is 10 divided by a third. Okay, so this is not it. Next one, Allison uses 3 cups of bunny food in 10 days. That's, what does she have? 3 cups divided into 10 days. That ain't it either. Mark it off. Allison eats 1/3 a cup of food each day, and she has a total of 10 cups. So what does she have? She has 10 cups, and she's dividing it into 1/3 each day. So that means that she would have like 30 cups. She could go for 30 days. So that works. Let's make sure it's not the last one. Allison's bunny eats 1/3 a cup of food each day for 10 days. That's 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. That's 1/3 times 10. That's repeated addition. That's not it. So it is this one, and it is beautiful. All right, guys. I love you. We'll hopefully see you guys soon. Be safe, be careful, be nice to your parents. Bye.